Hello students, good morning. Most welcome to Rita Das classes. I request all the new viewers to please subscribe my channel. Today I am going to teach you most important topic of grammar. The topic is the reported speech or the narration. This is simply an activity of changing from direct speech to indirect speech. The focus here is about how to make your writing more mature, and it adds perfection in your writing skills. And we have to read in the reported speech what is reported speech, definitions, kinds of reported speech, and rules to change reported speech. So first we have to know the definition of the reported speech. Reported speech is the report of one speaker or the writer on the words spoken, written, or thought by someone else is called reported speech. Traditionally, reported speech is categorized into two types. One is the direct speech and another is the indirect speech. First, we have to know what is direct speech. The message of the speaker is conveyed or reported without any change is called the direct speech. In direct speech, the message of the speaker is conveyed or reported in our own words is called the indirect speech. One example is given, that is the Radha said, I am very busy now. Radha said is reported verb. I am very busy is the reported speech. So it is changed into the indirect speech. Radha said that she was very busy then. So whenever we change the reported speech into from the direct speech to the indirect speech, we have to remember the 5 steps. First step is that we have to remove all the commas, quotation mark and the full stop. Second, we have to add conjunction that it is also added here. Third, we have to change the person I into the she, that is the first person is changed according to the Radha, that's why it is written here she. Fourth is that the tense am is written, it will be changed into the was, and the fifth, that is the adverb now is changed into then. So here it is written that there are 2 rules to change the reported speech. One is the general rules and second is the specific rules. In general rules, we have to change of person, change of tense, change of words. And in specific rules, we have to change of sentences. So students, it is clear that whenever we change from direct speech to indirect speech, we have to just give the noted that first preference to the change of persons, second change of tense, third change of words, and at last the change of the sentences. Now, how the first I have told you to that the change of the persons. Here it is said that the first rule is that change of the person when the persons means here the question arises how many kinds of the person. There are 3 kinds of the person. First person, the words comes I, we, me, my, our, and the third persons the he, she, it, they, and the second person you, yours. So when the reported speech is first person, it changes into the according to the subject of the reported verb. That here you see the example. He said, I don't want to shock people. He is the subject of the reported verb. I is the first person. I will be changed according to the he. So dear students, just give attention. So always I will be changed here according to the subject. So in direct speech he said that he did not want to shock people. The second rule is that if the reported speech and the reported verb is both the first person, then in the indirect speech the same word will be repeated. Just see the example. I said I do my work. Yes, homework. Here the reported speech that will be I said that I did my homework. Third rule is that if the reported speech the second persons, then it change will according to the object. So here the sentence is that he said to her, you are the cute. Her is the object and here you is the second person will change according to the her. So here the indirect speech, he said to her, or he said that she was cute, means you is changed into she. Here I have also written that here I have written first person I, we, me, my, our, us, second persons you, your. The first person change according to subject, second person change according to the object, and third person according to no change there will be. So here fourth rule is that if the reported speech is third person, then there will be no change, same person will be written there. So here sentence starts that they said she does not have the necessary qualification. So in direct speech they said that she did not have the necessary qualifications. Now we have to just here discuss about the change of the indirect speech. What are the rules? First rule is that when the reported verb is the past tense, then the change of the tense will be happen. The past tense we have to change. The present tense, simple present will change past simple, present continuous will change past continuous, past simple will change past perfect will past perfect, and will future will change into would, infinitive, can will be could, have to, had to, imperative to infinite. These changes will be happen. But if the reported verb will be present tense or the future tense, then there will be no change in the tense. Here one sentence is example is written, he says I am unwell. So here he says that he is unwell. So we have not to change. Second rule, simple present change into the simple past. How? Here one sentence is written, I am happy, she said. She said will be written in the beginning also, or you can write it at the last also. So don't be confused, students. So here it will be said that she said that, I will change into she, am will be changed into was. She was happy. Present continuous change into the past continuous. I am reading a book, he explained. He explained that he was reading a book. Present perfect change into the past perfect. She said he has finished his food. So indirectly she said that he had finished his food, means has is changed into had. And present perfect changes to the past perfect. I have been to Gujarat, he told me. Indirect, he told me that he had been to Gujarat. Now the simple past will change into that will be the past perfect. He said Ira arrived on Monday. Then he said that Ira had arrived on Monday. Past continuous into the past perfect continuous. We were living in Goa. They told me that they had been living in Goa. Future changes into the present conditional. He said I will be in Kolkata tomorrow. Indirect, he said that he would be in Kolkata the next day. Future continuous changed into the conditional continuous. He said I will be using the car next Friday. Indirect, he said that she would be using the car next day. And changes into the models. When the models will be remain in the sentence, then how it will be changed? That direct sentence, he said I can swim. Then the rule is that he said that he could swim. May will be might. That he said that I may buy a house. That he said that he might buy a house. And must change into had to. He said I must work hard. Indirect, he said that he had to work hard. And models do not change. Would, could, might, say this will be not change. He said I should face the challenge. Indirect speech, he said that he would face the challenge. So 5 tip is that when the sentence is interrogative or the question sentence, what are the rules are there? I have made here rules. That the 4th rules we have to just remember. First, said is changed into asked. That in the place of that we have to use the WH words, or the question started with the WH words, then we have to repeat same WH words here. If the question starts with the helping verb, then we have to use if in the place of the that, and the subject comes first and after that verbs comes. One takeaway you have to take the example. He said to me, what are you doing? So in the said place that we have written that he asked me what I was. I, the subject comes first, was doing, so verb comes after that. So in the second sentence the question starts with the helping verb. He said, will you come for the meeting? In direct speech he asked them whether they would come for the meeting. In the place of whether you can write with the if also. So after the sixth tips is that when the sentence is command, request or the exclamation, how it will be changed. So here is the exclamation sentence there, and first we have to the command sentence. Command sentence means that imperative sentence. When the sentence is tell about the order, request and the command, then the sentence will, that is called the imperative sentence. Here the sentence example is that Rafiq said to Ahmad, go away. Here the rule will be in the place of said you have to use ordered, suggested and in the place of that you have to use the to. So here the change will be Rafiq ordered Ahmad to go away. And exclamation sentence, I have made the rules. First rule is that that subject comes first and the verb comes after that. So in the and in the place of said we have to write exclaimed with sadly, happily or surprisingly. One question example you have to see that he said, alas, I am undone. Indirect, he exclaimed sadly that he was undone. And the seventh is that pronoun, that is the pronoun means the persons that we have already discussed there, that first person then they will change according to the subject, second person it according to the object, and the third person's no change. And in the eighth the words are given. So students, so you have to note down in your copy and remember this. Just now we will change into then, here we will be changed into there. And the ninth rule is that the punctuation marks in the direct speech, there is the comma mark is there, quotation mark is there. So whenever you change it, first you have to remove this, then you have to write it. And the 10th tip is that how you have to change the indirect speech to direct speech. In the indirect speech we have to change, then we have to, in the place of the say we have to write in the said and remove the conjunction that, and the quotation mark we have to give, comma we have to give, and write the first word of the statement and change past tense into the present tense. And this way we have to, one sentence I have written example. He asked whether he is coming. The question sentence is that he said to him, are you coming? The conclusion is that, so we have, here is the present tense, not the conclusion here. In the present tense that will change into the simple present is change into the past simple, present progressive change into the past progressive, present perfect change into the past perfect. And the past simple, the past perfect, and past progressive, that is the past perfect progressive, past perfect change into the past perfect, no change will be there. And future simple will change into would, and the changes continue, will be the would be, and the will have the in the would have. And the last is that this the conclusion. In the conclusion, the reported speech is very necessary in the English grammar, so we can't avoid it. And thank you.